Look at that.
What's happening, Maris? What is it doing?
I think it's coming out.
How is it coming out? What does it look like?
It looks like a volcano.
It does. Are those bubbles?
Yeah.
Bubbles, and is it red?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that how a real volcano happens? It comes out the top? Hiccups, huh? Those hiccups. She gets the hiccups for a second if you lay her down.
Let's do the volcano in there. Let's
Maris,
do this.
tell Uncle Mitch, thank you for my science experiment, and Uncle Lulu, Aunt Lulu. Say thank you for my science kit.
How is it?
Well, I'm just videoing you.
I want to see them.
Well, you can't see them yet because it's just a video. I'm going to send this to them. All right.